Early morning taxi, coins in my hand. Gatorade bottle empty, but I got a plan. No bread on the table, rent is overdue, but a young man hustles, gotta see it through. Street vendor dreams, CVs in the rain. Every note I get, I turn into game. Sip what's left, keep my throat from dry. Pray to the sky that the tide will rise. This is the struggle of a Gatorade. Half full life in a half empty shade. I'm tryna put food on the table tonight. One rant, one hustle, one more fight. The struggle of a Gatorade, yeah. Thirsty for more than what I was made, but I'll drink to the day when it finally turns. From the bottom to the light, we learn. Sissy says, daughter, don't you give in. Mama's prayer at night is where I begin. Load shedding dark, but my mind is bright. Side hustle till the city lights. Gatorade cap, I keep it as proof that even when empty, I still chase truth. From Khayelitsha streets to Jersey Heights, every empty bottle tells my story right. Not just a drink, it's the weight I carry. Young man's hunger, no time to tarry. So I hold this Gatorade and I sing it loud. One day the table's full and I'll make you proud.